Hello and welcome. I'm the Autistic Modeler, and today we're going to review the Richard Petty 1980 Chevrolet Monte Carlo reverse paint scheme. Now, most of them that you've seen with this Monte Carlo, it's mostly blue with the red trim. This is reverse. A little bit different. This wasn't run very much. This is a pretty good kit, and let's open it up. All right away we got that beautiful Monte Carlo body. Now this is made in the United States, so please support Salvinos JR. This is a great company to work with, and they do super high quality stuff right here in the United States. This is their own design. Look at this chrome. Check this out. Now, you can take a magnet to this. It will stick because this is automotive chrome. This ain't something off a toy or anything else. Look at that shine. Isn't that amazing? It's great. What else we got here? We got these tires. This is their own design as well, these tires. They don't have brand printed on them, but they do have decals that say Goodyear for the sidewalls. They're included decal sheet. We'll go over that in just a minute. Okay. There's our glass. Very nice. And their chassis is their own design. This ain't a remake of the MPC like a lot of folks think it is, but it's not. It's their own design. It fits really well and sits really nicely once it's assembled. Some chassis pieces there. Some spacers for the rear springs. Front roll cage around the engine. Front shocks. Steering knuckles there. Great stuff. And then there's our headers. Our engine oil pan. Pieces there. Exhaust. Excellent. There's the engine. General Motors engine. I'm not familiar what size that is. Please correct me or write me a comment down below. There's the front part of the roll cage. Some leaf springs. Rear axle. Fuel tank. Fire extinguisher. Seat. Battery. Great. Now in these kits, these Monte Carlos, you get an option of different years. They made it all one tree to make it easier for them to mass produce them. It just makes it quicker and easier, that's all. These are some suspension pieces, or fan, air filter, axle backing plates there, springs, roll cage pieces, drive shaft. There's our hood. And our roll cage side pieces, firewall, rear deck area. It's like an intake manifold there. Let's take a look at these decals. Oh, those are great. All you gotta do is paint this car red, put the blue on there, and you're ready to roll. And then if you look here, there is the decals for the tires. See that right there. It's great. All right, let's take a look at, oh, we got something else in there. I'm in the JR Models Builders Club, and I highly recommend you getting in it. You get your stuff before anybody else gets their stuff. So I recommend you getting in there. If you go ahead and email Chris at salvinos.us, I apologize, it's Chris at salvino.us, right there. He'll sign you up, and you get the kit before anybody else gets it, and it's like a few weeks ahead of time before it's even announced, and you'll have it in your hands. So these aren't even on the shelves yet. They should be coming in by the time I print this video out. But These are great kits, and they're made in the United States, and I highly recommend them. So go ahead and get your Salvinos JR 1980 Petty Monte Carlo. This is the Autistic Modeler. Happy modeling.